Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the hardware and backup. First, confirm your Mac model and Mac OS version so you choose a compatible SSD. Once done, make a full-time machine backup or create a disk clone. Verify the backup boots in recovery to ensure safety. Next, connect the SSD in an external USB-C enclosure or adapter and open Disk Utility. This lets you partition and format the drive correctly before copying any data. You'll now format and clone so recovery and startup work. In Disk Utility, choose the SSD, set GUID partition map, and erase to apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS extended for older versions. This ensures proper boot. After formatting, run Carbon Copy Cloner or use Disk Utility Restore to copy the internal drive to the SSD. Select System Volume as source and the SSD as destination. Make sure the clone includes the hidden recovery and EFI partitions so the Mac can boot from the SSD. You finish by installing and verifying the SSD as the startup disk. Shut down and physically swap the drives, or, if using an external SSD, boot into recovery and choose Startup Disk to select the SSD. Boot up and confirm in system information that the SSD appears and run First Aid in Disk Utility to catch file system errors. If the Mac won't boot, reset NVRAM, try reinstalling Mac OS onto the SSD, or reclone the drive. These steps address common cloning and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.